Installing the Brondell FreshSpa Thinline Advanced Bidet Attachment is simple. Follow these steps to install and use your bidet. Turn off the toilet water supply at the shutoff valve at the wall. Flush your toilet and hold down the flush handle until the water is fully drained out of the tank. Unscrew the flexible water supply line from your fill valve under the toilet tank. You may want a small bucket or towel handy to catch any residual water. Remove your existing toilet seat and thoroughly clean your toilet. Insert the black rubber washer into the provided T-valve and connect the T-valve to the fill valve under the toilet tank. Do not over-tighten. Reconnect the flexible supply line to the bottom of the T-valve. It is recommended to apply plumber's tape. Place circular mounting brackets into the circular openings of the bidet attachment. Place the bidet attachment on the toilet with the nozzle close to the back of the toilet, leaving a slight gap between the toilet and the nozzles. Place the toilet seat back on your toilet. Adjust your bidet attachment and tighten your toilet seat in place. Attach the braided metal bidet hose to the cold water inlet under the bidet attachment. Connect the open end of the bidet hose to the open side of the T-valve. If you plan on using cold water only, install the hot water supply cap over the hot water inlet under your bidet attachment. If you would like to supply your bidet attachment with warm water, please follow these steps. Locate the hot water supply line in your bathroom under your sink. Turn the water supply valve all the way off and turn on the hot faucet to drain any residual water. Disconnect the hot water supply hose that runs to the faucet. Install the smaller of the two provided T-valves with a rubber washer onto the hot water shutoff valve. Remove the pressure cap from the pressure connector. Slide the pressure cap over one end of the provided hot water flex tubing. Push the flex tubing onto the pressure connector, making sure it slides past the lip. Secure by turning the pressure cap onto the pressure connector until firmly attached. Reconnect the hot water supply line to the top of the T-valve. Slide the pressure cap over the open end of the hot water flex tubing. Push the provided pressure connector into the open end of the hot water flex tubing until the tubing slides past the lip and cannot go further. Hold the pressure connector to the hot water inlet on the bidet attachment and screw the cap onto the hot water inlet until secure. Turn on the hot and cold water supply valves and check for leaks. Congratulations! Your bidet attachment installation is complete. Please refer to the owner's manual for additional instructions on how to properly operate and maintain your bidet.